Hi fellow reefers, this is Eddie of Eddie's Reef Aquarium. Today's video is about the testing of the magnesium with the Salifert Test Kit. So let's go ahead and do it. See what it brings us. Whoops, okay. Well, this is the 2 ml syringe, the 1 ml syringe, and I'm going to put the applicator already on it. Then you have the magnesium 1, magnesium 2, and magnesium 3. And this, of course, is the vial where we're going to put the water being tested. And these are the instructions. Okay, so number 1, it says add with the 2 ml syringe 2 ml of water to the test vial. Let's go ahead and do that. Okay, here we go. Perfect. Then the second thing, it says add 5 drops of the Mag 1, which is this, and swirl gently for 30 seconds. So let's add 5 drops. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay. And swirl for 30 seconds. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30. Okay. Then the third one, it says add 1 spoon of the Mag 2 powder. This is the Mag 2 powder. We're going to add 1 spoon. Okay, what I do is, when it says these amounts, what I do is it should be leveled. So I usually press it against the wall of the container to level it out. Okay, there we go. And it says, and then swirl for 10 seconds. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. There you go. As you notice, it's like a red wine color. And then it says to, of course, to place the plastic tip, which I already did, and then you're going to extract 1 ml of Mag 3. Okay, we're going to go ahead and do that. One ml, there it is. Okay. And then all we're going to do, which is what the instruction says, but I know this by heart, is you're going to start to apply the drops. Okay. Now, I happen to know the amount that it actually takes, so you can go like halfway like I'm doing right now. Okay. It's about to change. There you go. Just like I said, you see how it changed into blue? I give it 1 more drop. Okay, you see, now it's completely blue. Okay, so we're going to go ahead and check the syringe and see where's that. It passed 0.1 by 3 points. So we're talking about let me see here, 1, 2, this is 1. I'd say about about 6. Yeah, I would say it's at 0.06. Now 0.06 gives you a reading of 1410. And then on the bottom here, for your reference, it says seawater has a magnesium concentration of approximately from 1300 to 1500. And we're showing 1410, so we're in target. And that means that everything is in check when it comes to the magnesium. Now, one final thing that I thought I'd bring up when it comes to the magnesium, as you've noticed on the pH and the calcium, when I finished the test, then I gave a little explanation why it goes up or down. The magnesium does affect the pH. Now, by what I mean by that is, for instance, if you have a situation where your pH is low, but no matter you put buffers and Kaltwasser or pH buffers, and you keep trying and trying, but you're not able to elevate the pH no matter what, you should check your magnesium. Because if you have a low magnesium value, it will affect the pH from being elevated. So the magnesium has to be in check, has to be in that range that I just explained, for the pH to actually fluctuate and go up if you happen to add a buffer. That's something crucial, something that I thought I'd bring up, because it did happen to me way back when I started the hobby when it came to the reef portion. And I would get a low readings on pH, and I would go ahead and buy Seacam marine buffer and Kaltwasser and all that. Nothing. I wouldn't be able to bring it up until I went to one of the LFS over in Miami, and they told me, have you checked your magnesium? I said, no. They said, well, because if your pH, if you're not able to bring it up no matter what, your magnesium most probably is a little low. It's below the target range. And sure enough, that's what it was. So when I brought up the magnesium, sure enough, my pH went up. So that's a little point that I thought I'd bring up when it comes to the magnesium and how it can actually affect the pH. And that's basically this video, what I wanted to bring up, the magnesium. What I'm going to do, I decided to just do the pH as I've already done, the calcium, the magnesium that I've demonstrated today, and then I'm going to go ahead and do the alkalinity. I decided not to do the nitrates and the ammonia, which is the other two kits that I have, because really those really are more target to like when you're cycling a tank. I mean, yes, you should check it once in a while. If you see that you're getting like a little hair algae or something, you should check your nitrate level. But more important when it comes to the stability, the stability of the tank and your inhabitants and all that, it's really the pH, of course, your calcium, your magnesium, and your alkalinity. So I decided not to demonstrate neither the nitrate or the ammonia for now. And like I always say, I do want to thank you very much for viewing this video. And if you found the video enjoyable, likable, educational, don't hesitate to hit either the like button, make a comment, or subscribe to my channel. And at the end of the video, like I always say, happy reefing. Thank you very much, and bye-bye.